Let's go for a tractor ride.
We are in the middle of setting the septic tank. Our original plan was to set it over there, and we hit ledge rock about 3 feet deep. We need this thing to be about 4.5 feet deep, so we had to just switch it down, dig a new hole down here a little bit farther down the hill, and we got plenty of depth here, so we just pulled the tank out of that hole, getting ready to set it into this hole. If you can't stand so much of us doing these weird things, don't subscribe. But if you want to see what we're doing, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a like and a share, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and the notification bell.